In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickup with Make.com in this beginner guide. Make.com is a powerful automation platform that allows you to connect apps and design workflows, streamlining your processes and saving you time. So, let's get started. First, we need to head over to the Make website. Open your web browser and type in the address, or simply search for Make automation software. This platform will be our main tool for creating the integrations we need, and it's user-friendly, making it a great choice for beginners. Once you're on the Make website, look towards the upper right corner of the page and click on the Sign In button. If you don't already have an account, this will be your opportunity to create one. Complete this process by filling in the necessary details and follow the prompts to verify your email address. Having an account gives you access to all the features necessary to begin creating your automated workflows. Now that you're signed in, you'll be directed to the Make Home dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. The dashboard is designed to give you an overview of your existing scenarios, and it's also the starting point for creating new ones. Before moving forward, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This will make navigation easier as we proceed. With your dashboard ready, it's time to create a new scenario. Look carefully, and you should see an option labeled New Scenario prominently displayed. Click on this to start building a new workflow. This feature allows you to integrate different apps to automate repetitive tasks seamlessly. As the page opens, you will see a button that says Add. Click on it to start the configuration of your new scenario. This step sets the foundation of your workflow and ensures that the apps you choose are correctly integrated. Here comes the part where Clickup becomes central to our setup. In the search bar provided, type Clickup. This will help you find the Clickup app within the Make ecosystem. Once it appears in the search results, go ahead and click on it. Clickup will be one of the apps we use to create efficient workflows, helping us streamline project management tasks. Once Clickup is selected, you're ready to start building out your scenario with the various options it offers. Make sure to customize the settings to suit your specific needs. Generally, this involves selecting your desired actions and triggers, which dictate how and when the integration should operate. Pay close attention to these options since they directly influence the operation and effectiveness of your setup. And there you have it. You've now set the stage for integrating Clickup with Make.com. This process will greatly enhance how you manage tasks, improving both efficiency and productivity. Be sure to explore and experiment with other integrations to further optimize your workflows. Thanks for watching, and happy automating with Clickup and Make.com.